Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your pickup location in Uber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Uber app on your device. Once the app loads and you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a search field. This is the central area where you'll manage both your pickup and destination locations for any ride you're planning to take. Go ahead and click on this search field at the top. This action will expand the field and reveal more detailed options for setting up your trip. It's the gateway to customizing where you want to be picked up and where you're heading. Now, here's something important to note. By default, Uber automatically sets your pickup location to your current location if you have location services enabled on your device. This is designed to make things quick and convenient, especially when you're requesting a ride from wherever you are at that moment. However, there are plenty of situations where you might want to change this. Maybe you're planning a ride for later, or you want to be picked up from a different address, like a friend's house or a specific entrance to a building. To change your pickup location, simply click on the pickup location field that's now visible. This is usually the first field shown in the expanded search area, and it will display your current location by default. Tapping on it allows you to modify where you want your Uber driver to meet you. Once you've clicked on the pickup location field, your keyboard will appear and you can start typing. Input your new pickup location into this field. You can type in a specific address, a business name, or even a landmark. As you type, Uber will show you suggested locations that match what you're entering, making it easier to select the exact spot you have in mind. Just tap on the correct suggestion from the list, or finish typing the full address if you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully changed your pickup location in Uber, and the app will now use this new address when you request your ride. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.